kids, welcome you all to today's online class. You know what are we going to learn about today? Which bug? Which insect? Can you figure out which one it is? Right, this is the grasshopper. The grasshopper has 2 antennas and it has 6 legs and 2 pair of wings. And you know what? Grasshopper eats the grass and it can fly to long distances, and moreover it can jump to long distances as well. So do you want to learn more about it? Let's begin. Okay, now let's make the headgear of grasshopper. So we need a circle, we need a strip that I have already provided you with, and 2 legs. Okay, so and 2 googly eyes, or you can use bindis as well, and 1 pipe cleaner for the antennas. So for the antennas, first of all, at one end of the circle we will make 2 holes. Okay, 1 and 2. So like this, we'll make 2 holes here. Now we will need the glue and we will start pasting the eyes first. So we'll put the glue here and a little here so that we can put the googly eyes or the bindis like this. Now we will need a sketch pen or a pen, whatever you have, and with this sketch pen we will make the smile of the grasshopper. Okay, now we will put the antennas. So we'll put the pipe cleaner from one end like this, and we'll take it to the other side like this to make the antennas. So this is the antenna of the grasshopper. We can twist it a little, roll it a little from the edge, so just to give it a look of the antennas like this. Okay, and now towards the end of this we will paste 2 legs like this and like this. Got it? We can put the glue here to paste it. Little glue. Alright. And here. So the 2 legs are ready. Like this, the 2 legs. Then we will put some glue at the back of the circle, the face that we have made, and then we'll stick it in the center like this. So here my grasshopper headgear is ready. So this is the grasshopper sheet that we are going to do today in the class, and this grasshopper sheet will teach us about the concept of the maximum number in one row. So maximum number means जिसके पास सबसे ज़्यादा है, so the one with the most numbers. So how do we go about it? There are 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to count how many grasshoppers are there in each row. We count and then we will write the number here. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 grasshoppers in the first row. Okay, now second row has how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 10 is bigger than number 8. Okay, now we will count the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has only 5 grasshoppers. Let's count the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this has 7 grasshoppers. So tell me which is the largest number, which is the row with the maximum grasshoppers. आपको देखना है कि कौन सा नंबर सबसे big है. Is 8 bigger or 10 bigger? So that means 10 is bigger here. Now is 5 bigger or 10 bigger? Again 10 is a bigger number. 7 is bigger number or 10 is a bigger number? So again 10 is a number which is the biggest of all. So the second row with 10 grasshoppers has the maximum number of grasshoppers in it. So this is the maximum numbers of grasshopper in the second row. This was a very interesting activity, wasn't it? Happy learning at Hogwarts. See you again. Bye-bye. Today we are going to learn about the insect that is the ant. And do you know where the ants live? They live in large groups. They are called colonies and they live in the ant hill. So now we have provided you with this ivory sheet which has the masking tapes on it. I request you, before you start the activity, you just peel from the edge of the masking tape so that it is easy for you to later on peel it off properly. So this is actually the track of the ants, and now we are going to make do the sponge painting to make the anthill. So for this activity we require the sponge. We require 3 colors, yellow, red and brown, and 3 small sponge, and then we need the raisins and the glue. All right, so let's begin. So first we are going to dip the sponge like this, and we are going to dab it here. Let the children do it on their own. It's such a fun activity. We are going to dab it all over the sheet like this. Okay. It's alright, it gets accumulated like this. So here we go. Now we'll take the next color. We actually want to take all the earthy shades, the color of the land. So now I'm going to take the brown shade. So I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to dab the brown shade on the sheet like this. Now I'm going to take the last color, that is a red color. So I'm going to dab a little here and like this. See, such a beautiful texture it has come out to be. So we have the color of the soils, yellow, red and brown. Okay, now that we have done with all the dabbing, we are going to peel off these tracks because these are the ants tracks, because ants, they always walk in a straight line. So we've made the straight tracks for them. So see, this is why I have asked you to peel off from the edges before you started, so that it is easy for you to take it off like this. Here you go. I'm just going to tidy it a little, and then I'm going to peel the last one as well. So here we go. Now these are the tracks. So my tracks are ready, my anthill is ready. Now I am going to paste the ants. These raisins are going to be my ants. So first of all, I will just apply a little glue everywhere, so that can show the ants because they walk all over the place. Army of ants marching. Ants are marching all over the place like this. So the ants are going to take a little time to stick because raisins take a little time to stick because of their surface. So they are going to be in a straight line. Have you seen the ants? They always walk in the straight line. Just like when we had taught you in the school to walk in a straight line, make a row, make a line. Same way the ants walk in the straight line. So here I go. My ant hill is ready. Can you see that? Didn't you have fun? So happy learning at Hogwarts. Thank you. Hello kids, welcome you all to today's online class. Today we are going to learn about the letter T. Yes, T says T as in tiger. T says T as in tent. T says T as in tractor. And T says T as in tree. So let's begin with the sheet first. So this is the tiger. And T says T as in tiger. So let's write the letter T here. T. T says T as in tent. So let's write the letter T in this block. Tent. T says T as in tractor. So let's complete the letter T. Write the letter T and complete the word tractor. T says T as in tree. So let's complete the word tree with the letter T. Now let's all join these dotted lines to complete the letter T. A small horizontal sleeping line and a vertical long standing line. A small horizontal sleeping line and a standing line. A small sleeping line and a standing line. So let's complete the pattern and finish this sheet by completing the letter T. So this is letter T. T says T as in tiger, tent, tractor and tree. Thank you.